Real quick Power Wheels mod for you here. You want to get your kid some headlights. Don't worry about soldering and all that other stuff. That was going to be my first route, and I realized I was wasting a bunch of time. Have these two flashlights lying around the house. These are from probably Harbor Freight or anywhere you can get some cheap flashlights. Take 3 batteries, AAAs each. So just get yourself some rechargeable AAAs, and you can reuse these over and over again. 3-inch hole saw and a drill. Zzz, zzz. Obviously, you pull these out first. Go ahead and just toss these. These were underneath those right there, but all these are going to do is kill your light output. Couldn't be any easier. Just pop them in. Those little guys will hold it. Forgot to turn them on. Could help. Anyways, super easy, super fast. These will be nice and bright. And when you buy rechargeable batteries, you can put in a freshly charged pair every time, and your kid will love it. Ready for some night riding.